Today, we're diving into the details of the Girard Products LLC RV Water Heater Door Installation Conversion Kit, designed specifically for the Atwood 6-gallon RV water heater. This universal fit kit features a convenient hinged door design with a sliding latch, ensuring easy access whenever you need it. Finished in a sleek polar white, it offers a clean and modern aesthetic that complements any RV exterior. The conversion kit measures 18.5 inches by 15 inches by 2 inches and weighs just 6 pounds, making it a practical and lightweight addition to your RV setup. Although a trim ring option is available, please note that it is not included with the kit. Whether you're upgrading or replacing, this conversion kit is engineered for simplicity and efficiency, enhancing your RV experience with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.